Electric Can Opener. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener stands out as a highly efficient and user-friendly kitchen gadget. With its striking red color and sleek plastic design, it brings a modern touch to any kitchen while remaining practical. Measuring 18 into 7 into 5.5 centimeters, this automatic can opener is compact enough to fit comfortably in your kitchen drawer or on the countertop without occupying much space. One of the most impressive features of this can opener is its stainless steel blade, which ensures durability and effectiveness in cutting through various types of can lids. This automatic operation mode eliminates the struggle often associated with manual can openers, making it especially beneficial for those with reduced hand strength or arthritis. The simple push-button operation allows users to open cans with minimal effort, making meal preparation much more seamless. Weighing in at only 8.4